Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Zoran and this week I'm back with a slightly different kind of sewing project. I've been keen to create a pencil wrap for a while, so after getting some fabric offcuts from an upholstery store near me, I decided to create one. So let's get to it. I began with two separate pieces of fabric, but this project would still work with one larger piece of fabric. To start with, I hemmed the edge of the piece that was going to create the slots for my pencils to go into. I folded the fabrics the right way round in order to see how my pencil wrap could turn out. But once I'd done that, I turned the fabrics inside out and folded them with the right sides facing inwards. Here I've actually laid two pieces the wrong way round, as I wanted the fabric with the hemmed edge to be underneath, since this is where the pencils and pens are going to slot in. However, I fixed that up later. It's a similar method to just creating a simple cushion cover with two pieces overlapping each other slightly. I measured the length of the slots using a pen and crochet hook, as this is what I want to be able to store into my pencil wrap, and then pinned the three open edges together. I reused some ribbon that I had from an old present to make the ties. However, I ended up sewing it slightly too high, so I did unpick and move it slightly down, as well as changing the original ribbon that I used. I ended up unpicking these small sections, as mentioned before, because I'd layered the two sides on top of each other the wrong way round. As shown here, this is how it originally turned out. So after I'd repicked, it then turned out like this. Once I'd sewed everything in place, I was ready to turn the whole thing inside out, similar to a basic cushion cover.